welcome y'all back to the channel. My name is Todd. So I'm gonna call out my sister-in-law Holly because this is a recipe that she's requested several times. So today we're gonna be making banana pudding. So let's get our ingredients together. For our banana pudding, we are gonna need some vanilla wafers, some milk, some whipped topping, some instant pudding mix, banana flavored, and bananas. So now let's get our ingredients started and get our pudding made. So the first thing we need to do is dump our pudding mix into a large bowl, and we're going to make this according to the package directions. So this requires 2 cups of milk per container. So we've got 2 containers here. So that's 1. Okay. Open up our other bottle of milk. That's 2, 3, and 4. All right, and we're going to get this all mixed up. And what we're going to do is we want this to get to a soft set. So we are going to mix this for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to thicken. So we've been whisking this for a couple of minutes, and as you can see, this is starting to get thick. So now we want to mix in 1 container of the whipped topping. Alright, so I'm going to continue to do this, and then once I get it all mixed up, we'll continue building up our banana pudding. Alright, so we've got our whipped topping mixed in with our pudding. Alright, so now we're going to set this over to the side, and we are going to get us another container. And you can use whatever type of dish you like for the pudding. And what I do is I will take a layer of my vanilla wafers and set them down. And then on top of these, I'll add a banana. And I try and keep them about the same thickness. Generally end up with about 2 layers, sometimes 3, depending on the dish I use. And then I'll just take my bananas and kind of spread them out to cover all the wafers. And then I'll just get some of our pudding mixture and pour it over. and then just spread. And then I'll just come back with another layer. So I'm going to continue with this, and once we get all the layers built, we'll be back. Alright, so we've got our last layer built. And we're going to add another couple of scoops of our pudding mixture. Make sure we got enough. May need a little bit more. And there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw this in the refrigerator for about an hour for everything to set up. So now, if you're making this ahead of time, after it sets up, you can cover this with foil. Not foil, sorry. Cover this with a plastic wrap until you need it, and then you just pull it out and serve it up. But we're going to let this one set for an hour, and then we're going to be back. Okay, so this has been in the refrigerator for an hour and setting up. So we are going to get us a nice big scoop. This is so good. This tends to go every time I serve it. And so if you want, you can top this with some crushed up vanilla wafers just for a little sprinkle. So I hope you enjoyed the video. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Remember, always have a good time in the kitchen. And until next time, enjoy.